First step to changing the fuel filter on your Altezza is you have to remove the back seats. It's kind of nasty in here. All right, then we'll take the cover off of the fuel pump assembly. And then we'll just remove the plug. Next, we'll just take the clip that's holding the fuel line on, off, like that. So I'll take this clip out and just lift up on this hose. Alrighty. Next, we're going to remove all of these screws. And then we're going to take the whole assembly out. Before we can remove the assembly, we have to get this hose off of here. Okay. Now the whole thing comes out. So next, we're just going to simply move everything over from here onto here. So once that's apart, just take the clip right here, separate that, put that aside. And there it is. So the new filter will be composed of these two components in one. And you do not have to remove this particular piece, since this doesn't have that. Or just leave it how it is. Before putting this back together, I want to show you the inside of the old filter element. And you can squeeze the old fuel out and it's just nasty black fuel. So this is why we're changing this, is to get rid of all that nasty fuel. Last step is to put the top portion on. Make sure you don't pinch the wires that are inside. And now it is all put together, ready to go back in the car. One fun thing about doing this is now you have another place you can put fuel in. Alright, before putting this back in, make sure to pull this out so you can attach it after you get the floater through the hole right there. And then attach that to there. Once that is seated, we'll put this plate back on. And right there. Now we need to put the fuel hose back in, push it all the way down, and then don't forget your plastic clip. Just snake it through and pop it in like that. Lastly, plug in here, make sure it clicks. Use plastic screws. Alright, now we just gotta put the back seats in and it's done. using an orange.